Ironmanofmaine walking sound effect, test 1. I got this in the mail today, and it's basically a soundboard that is affected by when you walk. It's got this little motion sensor that you put on your belt, and it can sense you walking and stomping. It's called Mega Stomp Panic. I got it from ThinkGeek. But I'm going to take this apart and integrate it into my suit, one of which is because of this. And I hooked on an external switch here so that I can take this unit apart and put it inside one of my thighs. So I'll simulate my walking. So this piece will go in my abdomen somewhere, or I should say my pelvis, and will sense every step that I do, and then when I take a big step, and you get the idea. Tell me what you think.